Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to view block list on TikTok. So let's get started. First open TikTok app, then click on profile. After that click on the top right corner button. Click on setting and privacy. After that click on privacy under account. Then scroll down. Then here you can see blocked accounts. Click on it. Here you can see your all blocked account. This is the list of your blocked account. So you can unblock them from here. Just simply click on unblock. As you can see, the user has been unlocked. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.